welcome back to my channel. It's me Sahasra. In this video I'm gonna show you 6 fidget toys that I made with paper. This is a boing boing toy. As you can see, if you tap on it, it bounces. These are 2 snitch-shaped clapping toys. These are pop-it buttons. This is a bouncing back cat. This is a clicking toy. The last one is a spinning toy. So guys, if you wanna see how I made these fidget toys, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.